welcome back to my channel. I am so thrilled to share this style with you guys today. I have been dying for this style since it launched a few months back, like dying for it. This is Bryce from Jon Renau from Mimo Wigs. I'm so happy to finally have a Bryce in my hands. So I went to Bryce Canyon right around when this launched, and I thought, I'm gonna get a Bryce, and I'm barely getting a Bryce, but I'm so happy. And I figured I would put a video up, even though I know there's many videos up. I just figured I'd put my own version and share this beautiful color, and anyway, just share my thoughts on this beautiful style. Okay, so the color I'm wearing is 24BT18S8, also known as Shaded Mocha. I love this color. I've always loved this color. It's a fantastic in-between color. If you're a brunette wearer, if you're a blonde wearer, you like to kind of meet in the middle, this is a beautiful shade. So 24BT18S8 Shaded Mocha is a dark ash blonde / honey blonde blend. I love the honey blonde and the ash. I think it's a fantastic combo. So you have just, the best of both worlds. You have that honey blonde and the ash. Boom. Mix, meet in the middle. And then you have medium brown roots. I love a rooted wig, so I love the root. Medium brown roots on this Shaded Mocha. So this Bryce by Jon Renau features long layers and soft, beautiful waves. It definitely has that just fairy tale, gorgeous look. It has an effortless look because these waves are so soft and very relaxed looking. What Bryce has that I really love is this shorter fringe that kind of flows back. It's very on trend, having more of a fringe that tapers back into the rest of those layers within the cut and the style. And another thing that's very on trend with Bryce is you have a middle monofilament part. Of course, with this beautiful Bryce, you do have that smart lace front, so you can wear it away from the face. Here is that lace front, so you guys can get a closer look. They do have that lighter color right up at the front hairline. That does help with those knots. As you can see, this is a ready-to-wear wig, so there is no need to cut that lace, pull it out of the box, shake the hair, shake the fiber, slap her on, and she's ready to go. So this lace front is sheer, it's hand tied, and it's meant to look like natural hair growth. The Bryce wig is part of the Smart Lace collection, and this is an average size cap. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, especially the Jon Renau line, and this fits me really well. It's comfortable, it's snug, it fits me from ear to ear, from front to nape. It feels comfortable, and I would say true average in size. This is synthetic fiber. It's not heat friendly. You do not want to use your heat tools on this fiber. You could melt it if you get around, too much heat, the oven. So you do want to be mindful of that. And it's so nice because you can wash it, let it air dry, and it's going to maintain this beautiful, romantic, lovely wave. The density on Bryce is considered light to medium. I think because of the layers and the wave, at first glance it kind of looks a little thicker, but honestly, when you touch it, when you feel it, it does have, like, I would say medium density. It's not stringy, it's not super duper light. I've had lighter wigs, so this is a perfect density. I think it looks very natural, yet gives you that gorgeous density that we all want. Let's face it, we want hair. I mean, I do, but it's not overly thick. It's not so thick that it looks fake. And so I do like the density on this here Bryce. Okay, let's do a full turnaround of Bryce. You can see these gorgeous layers and waves from all angles. I love this wig. I love it. I knew I loved it even before I got it. Like, I saw the launch and I was like, that's the one that I like. I mean, that's the one I like. Oh, I think I just spit. Anyway, yeah, it's the one I like. And so I love it. I love it. It is so, so pretty. Okay, so let's take Bryce off and show you guys the underside. Okay, so you have that lace front, which basically just meshes into that middle monofilament part. Because you have that lace front that kind of just blends into that middle part, you have room for like multi-directional parting up here, kind of like you could probably move the part and zigzag it back. But then once you get back to this section, like you don't have a huge area for like parting it every which way, but it's not like, you know, way thin, so you could kind of move it from left to right. But anyway, so I've never really seen a Jon Renau wig with this type of like cap, so that's pretty cool. Maybe they have something, but I personally have not seen anything like this. And then of course you have like closed wefting around that. I'm assuming that there's probably a little bit, so within those wefts, those closed wefts, you do have a slight amount of permatease just right at the root of those wefts. And that just gives this beautiful Bryce wig some lift at the roots, at the crown, which I think it definitely needs. And it just makes the silhouette and style just gorgeous. So then you have closed wefting throughout the remaining area of that cap. It's nice and breathable, great air ventilation. You have your velvet ear tabs, and you have a very small velvety nape with the adjusters at the nape, so you can personalize that fit. Okay, let's put her back on. Okay, so the total weight of Bryce is 5.2 ounces. I think it feels nice. I think it feels good. I mean, it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel dense. I think it feels really, really good. I am impressed with this wig, the way it feels. The fibers look fantastic. This is straight out of the box, and I think it looks awesome. Now, I don't have a lot of natural light coming in, and sometimes when you have like ring light and bedroom light, it can make the sheen like look really like, I don't know, too really shiny. And I'm impressed with Bryce. I think it looks really good without that, you know, natural lighting. I did do a reel on Instagram, and I did bring Bryce outside to show indoor and outdoor lighting. Maybe I'll post it up here so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm impressed with the fibers. They feel and look good right out of the box. So thumbs up from me. Okay, so the product measurements: front is 6.5 inches. Your sides are 13.75 inches. Your crown is 13.5 inches. And your nape is 14 inches. I love Bryce. You guys know that. I've been ranting and raving. I can't stop saying good things about Bryce. I feel really pretty in Bryce. I can just tell when I put on a wig that I really like. I can't say enough good things about it. So that's how I feel about Bryce, because I personally feel really good in Bryce. Anyway, you guys can get Bryce at Mimo Wigs. You can get a discount. You can often use Amber's Amigos discount. If not, you can check out Mimo Wigs for their promos. Go follow Mimo Wigs and sign up for their newsletter so you can check out different sales that they have going on. I will have those links down below. I will have the link to this here wig, so you can check that out and see a closer view and more details on this particular wig. Anyway, I want to thank Mimo for giving me the opportunity to share this here wig with you guys today. I'm just thrilled. This is definitely a wig that I would wear on the daily, and so I'm always excited to share a wig with you guys that I would wear every day. I mean, bottom line, I'm willing to share wigs that, you know, that maybe I wouldn't wear every day, because I think it's very helpful to share all styles and colors, but it's always a joy to share something that I love. Anyway, you guys, thanks again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following. Thank you for your support. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please reach out. Follow me on Instagram. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I probably already said that. My phone's gonna die, so I'm going to let you guys go. Anyway, thanks again, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Okay, bye.